So basically today's world, everyone wanted to own a drone for aerial photography, whether it's for social media or just personal use. Back in the day, the concept of using aerial camera on drone emerged during the First World War in the early 1900s. While the first drone, the aerial target, was tested in March 1917, the development and practical aerial camera that could be used on aircraft and aerial photography. In today's world, the commercial production of drones, I think in the mid-20s, where DJI first published his first Phantom drone available for commercial use, that's revolutionize aerial photography forever. Not just like everyone else, I too want to have or own a drone. So I'm proud to say that today I'm gonna go and buy myself my first ever drone. Anyway, I'm heading to Alabang right now to buy my drone, finally, after weeks and weeks of thinking. So this vlog is not the next day, it's probably like 3 weeks later. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Alabang. It's been like 10 minutes looking for the place that I'm gonna buy a drone, and I finally find it. Whew. Yeah, this mall is huge. Well, the problem is that I didn't know the name of the shop. I know the location, but I don't know which side of the mall. But I got it here. I am back here at the field, AP field, trying to test out the drone. Trying to test out the drone. Let me get a chair first. Just gonna try a few maneuvers, try the whole system and stuff, and then head back. Oh, my DJI battery is getting low. So yeah, whew, it's hot outside. So anyway, where am I? DJI. Yeah, I got some footage. I ran some tests. I crashed my drone. The battery got low and it was trying to automatically return home, and it's trying to go up, and it hit because I was flying it under the stage. He hit the ceiling and fell down. Scratched this one. Scratch all this. But I tested it and it's still working, so yeah, I got myself a drone. Anyway, I'm gonna go put this on charge, refresh, freshen up, and then head up to Heights and watch the State of Origin Game 1.